Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Bunny.
Bunny, how are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you, Bunny?
I'm 7 years old.
Great. So, Bunny, let me ask you some basic questions about your daily life. So, Bunny, can you tell me what food do you like?
I like watermelon.
Watermelon? And do you like pizza?
Yeah.
And how about the hamburger? Yes, you like fast foods, right? And do you like drinking juice? Yes, okay, good. And can you tell me what are you wearing today, Bunny?
I'm wearing happy.
No, what are you wearing today?
T-shirt and
T-shirt and trousers, I guess? Yes, right. And are you feeling cold?
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit, right? So, Bunny, today we got a test on Unit 3 and 4, right? So, first part, we have to talk about your family, right? Where is your name? I guess here is Bunny. All right, is that your family?
Yeah.
All right, I guess you have got a big family, right, Bunny? And can you tell me that how many people are there in your family?
My 7 people in my family.
So you have got a big family, right?
Yeah.
All right, and can you tell me who is that?
That is my dad.
That is my dad, and is this?
That is my mom.
Your mom is here today with you, right?
Yeah.
All right, and how about them? Who are they?
The 3 brothers.
I see you have got 3 brothers, and how about who is she?
She is my sister.
She is my sister, your older sister, right?
Yes.
And here is our Bunny, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And Bunny, who do you love the most in your family?
I love my mom and dad.
You love your mom and dad? How about your sister?
Yes.
Yes, right? Okay, and what's the name of your sister?
Her name is Thảo.
Tao, okay. And what about him? What's the name of your
His
brother?
name is Nam.
And do you know how old is your sister?
Is
She is? How old is your sister? She is 15, 16 years old, 17 years old. Do you know? I guess you don't know. Okay. All right. And can you tell me more about your family? Who is the tallest in your family?
my dad.
Your dad is the tallest one, right?
Yeah.
And who is funny in your family?
Is me.
You are the funny one? Really? Okay. And who is the most beautiful one in your family?
Mom and sister.
Mom and sister? Oh, you are beautiful too. Everyone is beautiful, right? And do you love your family?
Yes.
Yes, very good, Bunny. Well done. Okay, let's move to the next part, Bunny. Oh, sorry. Part 1, part 2. Okay, here, we got different types of feelings here. So first, Bunny, can you tell me how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy.
Happy, right? And how is he feeling today?
He's feeling scared.
And are you scared of the lion?
Yes.
Are you scared of your mommy?
No.
No. Are you scared of your dad?
No.
No. Great. And how is he feeling today?
He's feeling angry.
Angry. And how about him? How is he feeling? He's feeling, I guess he is feeling a little shocked. And how about him?
He's feeling sad.
Sad. And Bunny, can you tell me what makes you sad? When do you feel sad? Do you know? Can you tell me?
Yeah.
When? Like when your dad is angry at you, you feel sad? Yes. Or when your mom is angry at you, you feel sad?
Yeah.
Right? Yes. And how about him? How is he feeling today?
He's feeling happy.
And how about him?
He's feeling angry.
Angry. And the last one, I guess he's feeling happy too, right? All right. Let me ask you some extra questions, Bunny. Can you tell me who cooks in your family?
My mom.
Your mommy and your sister, does she cook?
Yeah.
Yes, very good. And and how about can you tell me about like your dad go to work or your mommy goes to work?
Mommy.
Mommy and your dad too? Very good. Okay. Now we got some more questions about feelings. So, Bunny, are you scared of the dog?
No.
How about a tiger?
Yeah.
Yes. How about the snake? Are you scared of the
Yes.
snake? Yes. Good. And what is your favorite animal, by the way?
I love my
No, no. What's your favorite animal?
rabbit.
Rabbit, right? Yeah, because your name is Bunny. All right, that's the end of our speaking test today. You did very good, Bunny. Well done. I will see you later and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay.